Good afternoon, Your Honor. Omar Shah on behalf of the people, PH 6332.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P571166, hearing on behalf of Mr. Spencer. Mr. Spencer, will you introduce yourself to the court, please?
Randy.
All right, everyone. When a judge says they were about to issue a warrant, you know things are already going badly. Mr. Spencer is in serious trouble, and if his lawyer hadn't brought him to court, he might be in jail right now. This isn't just about sleeping in. This courtroom doesn't give second chances easily. So get ready. This is going to be intense.
Okay, Mr. Spencer, you were supposed to have been here this morning. Lucky for you, your attorney was willing to go pick you up because I was issuing a warrant.
Just think about this for a second. Your lawyer had to leave their office, come to your house, and bring you to court. Like a driver. It's not normal land. It's not a favor. It's a desperate move to stop you from getting in serious trouble. The judge is shocked, and for good reason. Ignoring court rules like this can quickly turn into a big legal mess. And if you're supposed to be in court, sitting at home isn't. Cool, it's a red flag.
So why were you just hanging out at your house and not here at the court?
Well, I did go on the Zoom this morning, but it was difficult to do.
Okay, so I will acknowledge that I did see you in the waiting room on Zoom. We've been having issues with people impersonating names on Zoom and submitting inappropriate videos. So I will acknowledge, counsel, that I did see your client's name in there. I have no way to know if it was him. And as you can tell, I was a little hesitant to invite some people today. And
I've seen the video, Your Honor. Judge King showed me some of his.
oh yes, Judge King gets some, he gets some doozies also. Okay, so, but then sir, when you were having difficulties, did you contact the court?
Just think about this for a second. Your lawyer had to leave their office, come to your house, and bring you to court like a driver. Not normal land. It's not a favor. It's a desperate move to stop you from getting in serious trouble. The judge is shocked, and for good reason. Ignoring court rules like this can quickly turn into a big legal mess. And if you're supposed to be in court, sitting at home isn't cool, it's a red flag.
Okay, absolutely you should have. Or you should have somehow found your way here into the courthouse, right? So the court allows individuals and attorneys to handle the PCCs by Zoom because those are generally pretty quick, right? And a lot of times attorneys have multiple PCCs at one time. So courts aren't all waiting on the same attorney. This court and other courts allow individuals and attorneys to appear by Zoom for PCCs. That doesn't mean that's the only way to appear. So if there's technical issues, you need to be in person. Okay? All right. So I'm all done lecturing for the day. Counsel?
Yeah, I indicated to Mr. Spencer's statutory right for a preliminary exam in this matter. At this time, he wishes to wait.
Okay. And Mr. Spencer, you've heard everything that your attorney has indicated, correct?
Yes.
All right, and sir, we do understand that you do have the right to have a preliminary examination where it must be shown that a crime that's committed for probable cause exists to charge you with that crime. You also understand that by waiving your right to a preliminary examination, that your matter will be bound over to circuit court on the charges in the complaint warrant, correct?
Yes.
And has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to waive your right to your preliminary examination?
Now this is a key moment. Mr. Spencer is giving up his right to a preliminary Hearing that's where the prosecutor has to prove there's enough evidence to move forward with a trial. By skipping it, the case goes straight to the next court. The judge is making sure no one is forcing him or pressuring him. No secret deals, no threats, just Mr. Spencer saying under oath that he wants to move ahead. It's the calm before the...
All right, and the court will note that examination having been waived, defendant found over circuit court for further proceedings. You are to appear in circuit court on October 5th at 9 a.m. on the charges of the complaint. All right, anything else, counsel?
No.
All right, bond and conditions are continued. Mr. Spencer, if you were to test today, what's in your system?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. You were consuming it today, weren't you?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, so here's what I need to know. Now that I've accepted the waiver, are you under the influence of the alcohol?
No, not more than that, no.
What does that mean?
That's all.
What?
It's not much sleep, that's all.
Okay. Counsel, I'm going to have a PBT administered to your client just to make sure that your client...
Wait, did Mr. Spencer just say he's been drinking today while in court? That's a huge problem. The judge catches it right away. When someone gives up a legal right, they have to be thinking clearly. If alcohol is involved, that's a big concern. So, the court isn't taking any chances. They're ordering a breath test to check if he's sober enough to understand what's going on. This isn't just routine, it's about making sure the legal process is fair and serious.
To enter into this waiver. Okay, so let's go off the record for a moment. And then we need a PBT. Gordy, can you ask the PD if they can bring over a PBT real quick, please? Thank you.
Your Honor?
Hello, yes,
Or this gentleman?
Yes.
Okay.
thank you.
What you're gonna do here is just you can just grab it and blow one long continuous breath until it stops speaking, okay? You gotta you don't have to push anything, just blow into that straw. All triple zeros.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I just wanted to confirm, since you did indicate you consumed alcohol this morning, I wanted to make sure that you were not still under the influence of alcohol, since we accepted your waiver. Although it's not lost on the court that you're not supposed to be using alcohol anyway, since that's one of the conditions of your bond. So it gives.
What happened again, Your Honor?
Oh, we're back on the record, right, I'm sorry. Well, sir. Okay, but why are you consuming alcohol when when you're ordered not to?
I know it's just that. I say what happened.
All right, counsel, I think that, I may amend the bond condition to include an alcohol tether for your client. I initially did not do that, given his charge, but it appears as though that's also a concern.
And now come the consequences. After Mr. Spencer admitted to drinking, the judge is making new rules. He'll now face random drug and alcohol tests. That wasn't part of the plan at first, but the judge clearly sees a problem. Mr. Spencer may have thought this was just a routine hearing, but he's walking out with stricter conditions and a judge keeping a close eye on him. And if he thinks he'll get a warning before a test, he won't.
Right now he was. I'm not going to do the alcohol tether. I'm going to indicate you have to submit to random testing, sir. So bond and conditions are continued. You have to submit to random testing. So you don't know when you're going to get called for testing, so make sure that you are not consuming any alcohol or drugs.
Yes, sir.
They're not prescribed. Okay, and anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Again, thank you, Mr. Taylor, for going and picking up your client. And sir, please stop over at probation. Do not leave without going to probation. You're not on probation, but they will give you the information about testing.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.